Hi, I'm 4 and I'm going to show you the basics of gmod. This is my first tutorial, so if it's not very good, sorry. I'm going to try and explain the add chip and the comparison chip. So go into Phoenix construction and spam a 4x4 plate. Pick it up, put it straight, and then spam a 1x1 plate. Put it straight, you know, a bit inclined. Weld it, unfreeze the other one, and put it a bit higher. Go into Y mode. Hover balls. These are not going to be wired up. It's just to make them float. So, and now go into thrust. .500 and bidirectional, so it can go forwards and backwards. Put them at equal length, so it won't go in a circle, or it won't curve. Go up into gate arithmetic, and here's the add chip. Put it on the plate. Now let's go down to buttons. It doesn't really matter what they look like, it's the value, but it's better to have an image so that you remember what they do. So we're going to do down, and the value on value has to be -1, and put toggle so you won't have to stay E. You won't have to have E down all the time. Go and then find up and put 1 and put it just above. Wires. Wire tool, and put the A value to the button and the B value to the other one. Now let's link up the A value of one of the thrusts and the other one. You see? So what the add chip does is it takes the both values that it's outputted. So this button's outputting 1 and this one's outputting -1, so it would be 0. If you put them together it makes 0, and it outputs 0 to both of them. So let's say we want to go backwards. It's outputting -1, goes into the can, and it understands that as putting minus thrust, so -500. So let's let the board go, the plate go, and there you go. You got a little flying plate, more hovering plate. So let's go back to where we were, and I'm going to show you what a less than chip is for. We're going to do it here. So now go up to Ranger. We're going to put 500 as value, and show beam. Ignore world 2. Oh yeah, and output distance. Put that down. So a Ranger does a beam of the value you've put. So we've put 500. It does a beam of 500. I don't know what, 500 meters, centimeters, whatever you want. I prefer to think of them of meters. Arithmetic, comparison, and less than chip. Now go down to constant value and put in value 1, 500. It has to be the same number, same distance. So what we're going to do is we're going to link them both up. So A value of less than to the Ranger, and the B value to the constant value. So what it does is it takes this value 500 and it will compare it to this one. So if 500, the ranger goes down. So if I go in front, the range will go down, and it will put out a value of 1 because it's not 500. It's not the same. It's not the same value. Okay. Now let's go up to turret. Yeah. Experiment just over it. Now let's wire up fire to the chip. So when someone passes in front of it, it shoots and it can kill. That's really not bad for death matches. You do a map and you make a little fort in a building, and you assault it with friends. And you can do the same thing but with explosives. So let's take off the wire of that and wire up detonator to the less than chip. That's really not bad for if it's a big passage and you're not sure if it will be straight or something like that, or if there's a turn and you think people can like jump over it. You can put like 2 so that people can't go under it or over it. So that is really useful. So those are the 2 useful things that you'll find in it. So thanks for watching. Bye.